How to use Amazon Associates SiteStripe. So if you want to use Amazon Associates SiteStripe, first of all, it is important to understand what Amazon Associate is and what the SiteStripe feature is. So first of all, just make sure you're logged in with your Amazon Associate, which is your affiliate program account. Once you're logged in, as long as you're logged in, right? So remember this, as long as you're logged in, you go to the main Amazon page, you'll find the associate link at the very top, which is Amazon Associates SiteStripe. Now make sure that you're on a certain product page that you want to sell, right? So let's say I'm on a certain product page that I want to sell, and I want to get the link for this so that I can sell using my link, and hopefully I will earn a certain amount of commission. For that is when SiteStripe comes to use. So here you can see Amazon Associates in SiteStripe format. Here you can see get link in the text format, right? So from the top left you can see this little text format right here, and you can simply choose to copy the generated link, and this is your own unique link. So if someone buys this product using this particular link from your SiteStripe, they will be able to go ahead and then basically earn you a certain amount of commission. Now, not only in text, if you want to put it inside the website or something, it will be in an image format, in an HTML code format, where you have to copy the code and just paste it like that, and then it will be able to open up that link for you in the SiteStripe. So this is what SiteStripe is all about and how you can utilize it to get your own referral link. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.